my back. I can't deliver presents like this. Now you have to sing Christmas.
Me? Save Christmas?
Wait, what? Whoa! Are we in the North Pole? How are we gonna get back home?
How do I make this go?
Like this? You just have to. How do you make this thing slow down? We dropped the present!
Ooh, a present! I'm so lucky!
There it is, Mom, the nice house! How do you land this thing?
Alright, time to go down the chimney. Here, hold the rope, Becca.
Okay, Mom, here I go. Be careful.
Hold the rope steady, Becca.
Oh, it's slipping!
Oh no! I need to set up the presents before people see me. Alright, last one.
Who's there?
Huh?
Santa?
Oh no, I need to get back up the chimney. Oh man, I'm tiny.
Where are you, Santa?
Oh man, I think I missed him.
Wait!
Huh?
Oh, man.
Santa didn't eat the milk and cookies I left.
Oh, well.
Mom?
Hey Becca, I'm so happy to see you.
Oh, let's get out of here, Mom.
Oh, I can't believe I'm in Santa's workshop. I need to take pictures.
Mom, should we be trying to find a way home? We'll be fine. Just a few more, Becca.
Seriously, Santa, I was almost done with your list.
Sorry, I was just...
You have to reorganize this list.
You heard me. Make sure you check the list twice. Organize who's been naughty or nice.
This is gonna take forever.
Better get to work. Christmas is tonight.
Man. I think I'm finally getting the hang of this.
Aha! I knew I would see you here, Santa!
Oh, you were supposed to see me.
Hey, I want your autograph!
Help me, Becca.
Don't worry. I have sleeping dust.
But I want to know.
Ooh, that was a close one.
Huh?
Oh, it is too much dust. Come on, Mom.
Who do we have? Is that really her? Wow, it's me from Mia's life. Oh, I need to take pictures.
Oh, it's taking Mom so long. I thought there was only one delivery for this house. Mom, we still have more houses. Is that Mia? She's my favorite vlogger. I want to take pictures too.
Get in the picture. Wow, these presents turned out perfect. I think I deserve a reward. Ooh. What should I try first? Ooh! A giant cookie! It's my lucky day! Ah, that was so good! Ooh, these next! Ah, that was so good! Huh? Oh no, my belly got really big!
Oh, at least you look like Santa now.
Yeah, we still have a lot of work to do. Ugh. Oh, what a long Christmas. How am I gonna get home? Ow!
Santa, why didn't you? Wait, you're not Santa.
Oh, never mind.
Wait, you need to help us get home!
Yeah.
Santa!
Oh, this will be so much fun. Oh, hey, girls.
You were supposed to help me make Christmas dinner.
And help us get home!
Yeah.
Wait, I can explain. Ow!
Teleport them home and help me make Christmas dinner. They did all of your work for you already.
But,
Now!
okay.
Now help me with dinner.
Okay.
We're home! Sorry, Becca. I didn't get time to deliver your present.
Oh, it's okay, Mom. I still had fun.
Ho, ho, ho! You forgot these!
Merry Christmas, girls!
We
Wow!
wanted to thank you for your help.
Alright, girls, open your present.
Okay.
Hi, everyone.
Did you guys like our video? Leave a comment down below.
Don't forget to subscribe.
And click that bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.